Hello everyone, just joining here, or vintage trial guy, I meant to say. Today, we're going to be doing another fire alarm test. And so as you're seeing, we have my wheelock el1 horn on top of the Simplex 4903 9101 strobe plate. This is an odd combination, like I just think it's odd. Instead of me having the 93 horn on top of it, I put the wheelock el1 horn on it. So, and this kind of looks kind of rare. I mean, you might see this combination in some buildings. It just depends. Like, and also I think there is a combination in the video. I think it's in one of Safe Tech's video. I know some of you guys might know one, but I'll leave a link to the description where he inspected a fire alarm system at a church. They had a combination of the EHEO1 horns and these strobe plates, but they were the light version, so they were 9102s. So anyway, enough chit-chattering. Let's go ahead and test this alarm. So, we're going to do march time, code 3, and then continuous, and then kind of a surprise at the end. So anyway, here we go. Let's do march time. 3, 2, 1. Next is code 3. So here we go. And next, and also the final coding, continuous. Here it goes. And that is pretty loud. Alright. And also, let's move this aside a little bit. I'm also gonna bring in, I'm gonna bring in the 20L3 too, because we're gonna do double continuous with both these alarms now. So I kind of have a bit of a surprise here for you guys. So anyway, here it goes in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, that's pretty loud. Very loud electronic horn and a loud mechanical horn. So anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Go ahead and comment, and of course subscribe to the channel. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I recommend you should subscribe for more videos. So anyway, that is it for the fire alarm test. I will see you all in the next video. Have a nice day, everybody.